What's up, guys? George here, and well, today we're going to talk about the market. Yeah, the stock market. That really red picture. Yeah. Well, so if you've been living under a rock, right? The market's been on a slight downtrend. One could say spiraling out of control, and a lot of people seem to be panicking. This is what I think is happening, right? And, totally my opinion, but this is from the things I've looked into. So the market's uncertain. What does that mean? People are uncertain. They don't know where the market's going. They don't know where the economy is going because of either Corona, no job report, the president, whatever. So a lot of people are uncertain. And during uncertain times, the market reflects that. Uncertainty is bad for the market. The market wants certainty. They want to know what they're going to do next. Now, when they don't know what they're going to do next, who knows? Interest rates might go up. Corona might come back with a vengeance, but they don't know. So people are taking their money and hoarding it and running because if interest rates come back higher, the stock market might take a little turn and they don't want to lose. And this can be really shown in a lot of growth stocks, right? If you look at any tech stock right now, it's probably bleeding red. And that's because those are the ones with potential, massive gains. And people seem to be getting out of the growth stocks and trying to put their money into something safer that won't take such a hit. So with things so bad, what do we do, right? Well, my honest opinion is keep buying. Keep buying. Things are at a discount. If you keep buying, you can average down, even if you bought a little too high, right? Eventually, the price of per share that you have will average down the more you buy. And think of this as a great opportunity to buy a discount stock, right? You're seeing all these high value stocks getting slashed. And you can think back to last year, March, right? When we had our little mini crash, everybody's like, man, I wish I bought in March. So good. Things were so cheap. Now look how high they are. You can do that again now. So even if the sky feels like it's falling, it's not. These stocks that have real value, right? Real products, Tesla, Lucid, Apple, Palantir, they're all likely to just bounce right back up. When that certainty comes back, bounce right back up. When people get their stimulus checks, they're going to throw it into these growth stocks because they want that $1,400, stimulus that's potentially getting passed today or tomorrow, maybe this weekend. They want it to grow. They don't want it to just stagnate. So we're getting a little bumpy road. But after that bumpy road, it's going straight to the moon because that's what I see coming. Whenever stimulus hits, the market really starts to pick up. And the saying still holds true that you don't lose till you sell. And I'm not selling. I'm diamond handsing this. I'm holding. I'm holding for this rough patch because things always get better in the market. Look at any crash, 2008, last March, it's gotten better, much better. Now, if you bought then, you're a genius, right? If you sold then, you're stupid. So we don't want to be stupid. We don't want to sell when things are getting terrible, right? Not unless you really need it. But if you don't invest what you can't afford to lose. So if you just hold out through this rough patch and you've invested in these great growth stocks that have, bounds of potential, then you should be fine. Listen, I'm very wary for those who really invested into SPACs that have no sure deal, right? Like CCIV, Gores, they have sure deals. Lucid, Matterport, they're going to merge, right? There's a product behind them. But SPACs that have, I'm going to merge with so-and-so, but we don't know yet. We're still looking. Those shares are really going to plummet, and they're going to plummet hard because there's no value behind them. It's all speculation, and right now the market does not like speculation. That's why that's why tech is going down, not tech stock is going down, but that's why this is all happening. But on the other side, like I said, it's a great time to buy. It's a buyer's market now. A buyer's market, you want to buy in the red. You don't want to buy at all-time highs. You don't want to buy when Tesla's at 1,000. No, you want to buy when Tesla's at half of that, because that's when it's at a deal. That's when you're going to make the money. Not when it's at its high, not when everything's going great. It's going when things are going bad is when you buy, because that's the best time to buy. Like I said, the outlook looks super promising. Stimulus is about to pass. Those stimmy checks are about to make your bank account go up, which in turn is going to make the stock market go up. So anything you buy before that pump coming it's free profit, right? So remember, do your own research. I'm some random guy just spouting almost whatever comes to my head. But if you do your own research and you invest in things with value and good growth potential, you can't lose. All right, guys, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you guys next time.